Do you have dark circles and you don't know how to get rid of it? Then you click the right video. Hi guys, he's Shrestha aka the Buried Butterfly. Once upon a time I had a best friend named Dark Circles, which I don't have right now that much. But yes, my eyes look tired because I am tired. That's why, that's obvious. So I have used 5 ingredients basically, not 5. Yeah, it's technically it's 5 for you, but it was 4 for me because I didn't use one ingredient. So 5 ingredients to reduce the dark circles. But I'm not saying that it will go away like in chutki mein, but it will help you to reduce the intensity of your dark circles. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching the video. First, let me educate you a bit more about dark circles. Dark circles are of 2 types. One is genetically and second is manually. Genetically means which you get from your bloodline, and manually means which you get from the activities you do, from the lifestyle you lead. From that, coming to the ingredients, first ingredient is ice cubes. Ice cubes, one of the best for your skin. It helps to tighten your skin and prepare your skin before makeup, and it works to reduce dark circles too, and I will tell you how. I use ice cubes to get refreshment because it helps to heal your skin and gives relief from the excess stress from your daily life. That's why I use ice cubes on my face. And for dark circles, all you have to do is take ice cubes. No, I would suggest take 1 ice cube because it's corona time and we can't take risk. So take 1 ice cube and put that in a clean piece of cloth and place that on the affected areas of your dark circles, and that's, you are good. And leave that for 10 minutes and it's enough. You can repeat this process twice a week because twice a week is good for your skin, and because you might get cold if you apply this excess. So that's the ingredients I'm about to say are potatoes and cucumber, which you will get easily at your home. You can use both cucumber and potato, but if you want to use any of them, you can. I use potato maximum time because Baba don't buy cucumber regularly, but potato is always available at my home. Always, because I'm a potato, I love potato, my family loves potato, everybody loves potato. Potato. Okay, enough of it. Sorry. So potato and cucumber both has vitamin C, and you know that vitamin C can wake your skin up and it helps to stimulate new cell growth. And the antioxidants help your skin to fight off environmental toxins that can make your eyes more puffy and tired, you know. And since these have water extract, so it tends to moisturize your under eyes. What you have to do is take cucumber, potato, what you have, peel the skin, cut that in circles and then place that on the top of your eyes, and you are done. Leave that for 15 or 20 minutes and it's enough. Or you can use the potato extract and cucumber extract if you don't want to use the first. Third ingredient is aloe vera, and it is 7 problems 1 solution wala ingredient. Trust me, you can use it for skin, for hair. It can be used as primer before makeup, obviously for light makeup, but you can use it, and it plays an important role in reducing dark circles as well. The nourishing properties in aloe vera can make healer for the skin, and being a natural UV absorber, it helps to repair skin tissues after your sunburn and actually helps to soothe your damaged skin. If you have aloe vera tree, then you can take out the extract from that, and if you don't have aloe vera tree, then you can simply buy aloe vera gel from the local store. I have used Patanjali aloe vera gel, which comes of ₹50. And yes, I really like that product, and currently I'm using Apollo's aloe vera gel, which comes at ₹80, and it's 100 gram. Yes, 100 gram ₹80, and I've been using this product for 6 months and I'm really loving this. I use this aloe vera gel as a daily moisturizer and on the affected areas of my dark circles. So the ingredients so far: number 1 is ice, second is potato or cucumber, and third is aloe vera gel. The fourth ingredient is good amount of sleep. I know I sound like a mother, but trust me, The good amount of sleep can help you to reduce the dark circles like nothing else, and it is tested and proven. Did I hear you talking about sleep? Like seriously? You don't sleep. She doesn't sleep, bro. She never sleeps. No, she sleeps, but not that much. You are doing this video. You don't deserve to do this shit, and whatever shit is going on. You don't deserve to do this video. You don't ever sleep, and for that you get dark circles. I don't know how you get rid of it, but she does it. She does it anyway, but she gets dark circles every single. It's the ingredient that I never used actually. Okay, that was kind of true because I work late, I study, I work on my videos, so it gets late obviously, and at the same time I am insomniac, so for that I don't sleep. But you should sleep at least for 6 to 8 hours a day, or when you sleep it must be strong, not that much weak. Okay, if you don't get sleep properly, it actually affects your overall health and along with the dark circles. So I would suggest to have a good amount of sleep so that it doesn't affect your health. The other way is use essential oil and face serum or face oil to get refreshment so that you can get good sleep. And that leads me to the last point, which is try to avoid mobile phones and computers at night. I know it's too much to ask for, but trust me, it has bad effects on our health overall. And I know that you guys know this thing, still we can't help ourselves because we work late and we have to use mobile phones, or if you have laptop or desktop something. But all phone slide actually affects on our brain, our eyes, on overall our health. So I would suggest, if you're not a working person, then try to avoid phone at night. If you're a working person, then shift the time of your work. You can do it in the morning. Just try to avoid the night time because it has bad impact on our health. On the other hand, if you stop using your phones or computers at night, then you can have a good amount of sleep like you never had. So I think that works in both way. It's a buy one get one free wala stuff. So yeah, that's really good. So these are all the 5 ingredients that helped me to get rid of dark circles, except the 4th one. I never used that. Yeah. As you can see, I didn't mention any high-end or luxurious beauty or cosmetic products for reducing dark circles because I feel in this crucial time we need to save more money so that we can spend on our daily essentials. These are not the big issues to spend on. So I would suggest, if you can, you should help others who are unable to earn and unable to buy their daily essentials, who are suffering every single day. And there are many more Indian local products that help you out with the small issues like skin, hair. For that we go online and search for high-end products. So this is the high time to stop spending on those and buy the local products because it is actually worth it. And I'm thinking to make a video like local for vocal, local products that works out well. So if you want to see the video, then hit me up. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share with everyone, and comment below if you liked it or not. And for more such useful videos and fashion videos, subscribe the Buried Butterfly, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest as well, and TikTok as well. Yes, and see you in the next week, see you in the next video in next week. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and live gorgeously.